All right, we're on our way into Becker County. See you, County Attorney.
Hello, gentlemen. There's my little statue and my keys.
Metal?
Yeah, I don't know. I think it's supposed to be like gold or something.
Metal was.
Yeah, and then a lighter.
And that in there too.
Yep.
Did I work? Oh, your phone can't come in.
Oh, I need to document using the phone.
Yeah. you
First
can put it
Amendment.
in there, and then if they want you to come and get it, you can come and get it.
I need to document the entire encounter.
You can't bring it through.
It's First Amendment. I have the right to.
You can't bring us.
You can't stop me from documenting.
You can't bring your cell phone through.
Uh-oh, Martin.
You can't bring your cell phone through. If they need to have it,
I need to have it.
If you need to have it, you can come and get it.
I need to document it. This you right now. You're depriving my rights under the
can't come
color
in.
of law.
Cell phones don't come there. So
18 USC
it's been that way
242.
for
Martin.
many years.
What is it? Can you show me the citation or the
It's
ordinance?
order right on the window over there.
Law. Can you show me the
not
law?
law.
Because
There's
that's
the
I could put up a sign saying
can't bring it
anything.
through.
Public property.
It has to have a ordinance or a
Don't you know the law?
It has to have a law attached to it.
Yeah,
You
I've been
can't.
here for a long time.
You
We
can't
haven't
just
let cell
make
phones
up
through for a
rules.
long
Well,
time.
that's fine, but you're gonna have to allow it in this case.
I'm not going to.
Call your superior.
He's on his way.
Okay.
So step through there. On the other side.
Is this public right here? Is this public?
Step over there with
Is
your
that
cell
public?
phone.
Is this
Step over
public?
there with your cell
Excuse
phone.
me, sir. That's assault. You just assaulted me.
Oh, yeah, you got it recorded too.
I have it
You
recorded.
can't touch another man. That's
You can't
assault.
push me.
You don't know?
If you don't listen to the orders, you can't. Then
If it's unlawful, you
bring
can't
your
make
cell
an
Then you
order. You
can
can't make an
shove me.
unlawful order. You can't give me an unlawful
phone. You can't bring
order.
your cell phone through on this side.
What's
Well,
the
then
law
you
that
need
says that I cannot?
You
This
got
is a
an order
pub.
from
Is
the
that
court.
public? Is that
You got a
public?
signed order from the court. So
I would like to see it.
it's right on the wall there. I told you.
Where?
What's going on?
He's not allowing me to document.
Document what?
We're going to see the
I'm going to visit
county
the
attorney.
County attorney about getting my boat back.
What am I looking at?
It's documented for my case.
Firearms?
Electronics in the courtroom. Not allowed
Electron.
inside.
Okay, so that's not. There's no. I don't see. This is an administrative policy. This is not law.
Not coming in with that. You're not gonna. So that's the end.
You're not gonna. What's your name and badge number?
Sergeant Warren, I spoke to you this
That's
morning.
Tyrone. You know Tyrone.
You can't.
How are you doing, Todd?
I'm trying to document. We're trying to go to the county
I'm trying to
attorney's
go
office,
visit the county attorney.
and I have the First Amendment right to document, and you guys are depriving me my right.
You'll have to make an appointment.
Okay, we'll make an appointment.
And then I can bring my cell phone in
And
there with me
document it, right?
and document it.
No, that doesn't mean you can bring your cell phone.
Well,
Okay, well I can't document then. You're depriving me my right, my First Amendment right to
Todd Glander, the sheriff.
Yeah.
The sheriff.
18 USC 241. That's deprivation of rights under the color of law.
Well, you're gonna have-
Conspiracy to deprive rights under the color of law.
Don't you know your own laws and your rules?
The First Amendment, and also
Todd,
Minnesota law
we're
and
at the
case
same
law.
age nearly.
It's been upheld. It's been upheld several times over.
Just listen to me. You can get an appointment made and then you can see him, okay?
Yeah, we will.
We need to see the county attorney
Because
today.
we're losing,
No,
we're losing
You
money
can
by
make an
the
appointment.
hour.
I already talked to the county attorney.
And what? About what? What did you
About
talk
this
to the
case.
county
He
attorney
told
about?
me-
So you understand you're depriving
Listen to
me
me.
of my treaty
So you know
right
what's going
from
on here.
1837.
You two listen to
So
me
you're
for
part of the
change.
conspiracy.
Why are you pointing at me?
Listen to
Why
me.
are
I'm
you
te-
pointing at me like a,
Listen
You
to me.
listen.
like an angry little boy?
Listen to him.
You
He's
realize
speaking.
where you are, right?
Okay.
You're in treaty territory. Treaty territory. Remember this, Todd. Todd Glander, you and I are of the same age,
Reno
side
Rosa.
by side. Yeah. You know my mother. You know my grandmother. You know my father. You know we've used these boats forever.
And you know that I have the right
now
to
you're
record public
depriving me.
officials in their duties.
Absolutely, fine.
Including inside any public area of this.
Yeah.
I can't go into the courtroom. That's the only place where
That's the only
recording
place
is
you can't
not
go
allowed
record.
unless is asked for.
So,
We
back
know
to
the
what I
laws.
said. You can see the county attorney when you make an appointment with him, okay? I have nothing to say with that.
The county attorney is not answering our phone calls,
Okay.
so that's why we are here, to make an
Yeah, we
appointment.
went
We're
to
going to
make an
talk to the
appointment.
county attorney.
Yep.
And we need to
That's why
figure
we're
this
here.
So we document who deprives us of these rights.
I'm recording too.
I know you are.
All right,
And
can you
that's
give me a
right.
signed guarantee that we'll have that?
We will have this
No, I'm not
recording.
signing.
I
I'm
am.
not
gonna
signing.
Okay,
get
because
this
we're
guarantee.
not gonna get it
I
then,
want this
because
guarantee
you guys
from
won't, you guys
Alright.
won't
I'm
release
trying to
that.
explain
You
to
won't
you-
release it. You know you
Okay,
won't.
have a good
You
day.
know you won't release it. You
Have a
have a
good
good day.
Todd Glander depriving of us our rights again, you guys. Treaty 1837. That's a nice ride, isn't it, Martin? You know that was on the Gold Branch Road before. Greatest of all time, huh, Todd? Where we knew we were gonna never leave. We'll always be, you guys. Always. Thy kingdom come. Thy will be done, you guys. And it's here and it's true. Thy kingdom come. Hey, Todd, you've known me 50 years. And I've never had an issue with you and you me. That's the way life is to be. Why now are you guys trying to deprive me? The last 3 years, you guys, I moved home. My brother Junior died and I had to come and take care of my family, and I saw what a drunk he had become. And I'm the only one that knows how to provide and knows how to build these boats that my family's used for more than a century, you guys. More than a century, we've had these, and all these lakes that we're going to pick, Todd, are all private lakes. I was on a hike of land to test my boat out, and my little Jessie was with me, and I said, jump in and pick this while I go pick the other rice. And I left, and I went and picked that other rice, and I came back. I had my rice in my boat, he had his on his shore. And Adam Winter took my rice out of my truck, Todd. He took my rice out of my canoe in my truck. And then took the rice that we had from that airboat, which is only probably
We need that rice and that boat back today. Because every day that Reno doesn't have that boat,
or County Road 110, and I'm not gonna go on public waters.
it's
I'm
3,000
going to my
it's
private waters,
3,000
Todd.
pounds per day. 3,000 pounds of
My
green rice
mother
per day.
sits at home.
Okay.
You know that's
You
15
You'll have to buy.
at the
abide by
current price.
We
That's
are abiding.
$15,000
You're not allowing me to
a
speak.
day.
So I'm not gonna
You're not
say
allowing me
anything.
to speak.
Okay.
That's $15,000 a day that you're costing, at minimum, that you're
My
costing
family.
this county. You're costing this county.
I'm costing?
Yeah, by not allowing us to have that
Okay.
boat back and not allowing to have that rice back, it's costing us at minimum
here to protect our
15,000. Right now at
constitutional
15,000, at $10 a pound, that's $30,000 a day. And we don't intend to sell it at $5 a
Do you have
pound.
business to do here right now?
Yeah.
Absolutely, we have business to
What's
do
that?
here. We're doing
talking
it.
to you, aren't you, the sheriff?
Okay, well,
And then
I
we're
don't have-
gonna go talk to the county attorney once we're done with you.
No, you have to make an appointment.
We have to
Will
make,
he
since
will
when?
he,
Where's
or
that
else
ordinance? Where's that
he'll
rule?
arrest you for trespass on a
Because-
public
Arrest
building
me.
because you're an
Arrest me and I'll
admission lobby.
I'll freaking
You're-
file a
you
federal
You
lawsuit
cannot
against
go-
this man.
You cannot go through that area.
Where's the law that
Where's
says
the law?
that?
Show us
It's
the
a-
law.
Because I'll show you the law that says I
law.
can. There's a law that says I can. There's a law that says I can.
Okay.
There's a sign that says I can't. There's a law that says I can and a sign that says I can't. Which one do I follow? Which one do you follow? Which one are you sworn to uphold? The law or the sign?
I don't know, Mark.
We talked about this on the phone.
When he was a
Mark.
hall monitor,
You're
he
talking
tried
about
to
your boat and
keep him
Reno's
from
boat.
running,
This-
but
we don't
nobody
have
would
your
listen.
boat. That's the DNR took it, not us.
Yeah, exactly.
The sheriff's department was there loading the rice. Loading the rice, assisting, exactly.
So we don't have your.
What
rights.
is
We
that?
don't have
What
your
is
boat.
that?
I know, but
Do you know what that is?
You're talking about-
That's conspiracy. When you're there to assist in deprivation of rights, do you listen at all? Do you listen at all? Do you listen at all?
We're done.
We're done?
Time to
We're
go.
done.
Yep.
Under what? Threat of arrest?
It's time to go.
Under threat of arrest?
Time to go.
Under threat of arrest?
You're making a.
Under
statement.
threat of arrest?
Tone it
Under
down.
threat of arrest?
Tone it down.
Under threat of arrest?
Tone it down.
What are you doing?
Why are you creeping around?
Are you guys threatening me to arrest me if I don't leave?
I'm telling you
Because
to
if
calm down. Okay, first of all.
I have the
This
First
is-
Amendment right
this
to
is a
speak.
public building.
And this is a
I'm-
public, and I have
I'm
the right to
telling you
speak.
calm down.
I am calm.
Okay, you're not allowing me to talk, and I'm done, okay? I already tried, and I'm done, okay?
You're done.
I'm done talking to you right now.
Okay.
Okay? So it's time to go.
Then you're dismissed. This is a public lobby?
We
Time
wanna
to go.
visit with
This is a
Tyrone.
public lobby?
He's gonna
Okay.
help us with.
Is this a public
You can visit
lobby?
with, Sergeant.
We can do what we want in public, as long as we're not violating the
My
law.
family, you realize that, right, Ty? Lyman
By
was
raising
like-
your voice and arguing.
I can raise the voice, I can raise my voice at an officer. No, it is not. You can't,
Yes, it is.
You can't be the complainant
People have
on a
been-
disorderly
civilians have been going
conduct.
back and
You can,
forth
and
for
I'm not
7
being
years.
disorderly at all.
No, he's not.
Yeah, by raising your voice and
Raising my
yelling.
voice. I talk loudly and clearly.
So,
How I was taught to
business
speak.
is done here, you
How I
don't
was
have
taught.
anything
No,
else?
we haven't even been able to do our business because you guys have deprived us our ability to do our business.
Let's go, we've got the recording.
No, I want them to say that I have to go under a threat of arrest and then I'll walk out.
Just say he's.
Just say under threat of arrest, you are forced to leave this building and I will walk out the door right now. That's all you have to say, under threat of arrest.
We've already asked you to leave.
Under threat of arrest?
I've already asked you.
That's unlawful. You can't, I can ask you anything. Why don't you spin around in a circle for me?
Time to go.
Time to spin around in a
The
circle.
business that you want to do, you can't do today until you make an appointment, okay?
I can do it. Maybe I have other business here. Maybe this is my
is it?
business right now,
What is it?
speaking with
I
you.
wanted to go check the record and see if they filed any complaint against my molesting.
You can't force me out of this
cousin.
building.
The one that was the judge and the.
You know you can't. That's why you're asking me and not telling me.
And I
You know
told
you
Tyrone
can't.
about what he did to my cousins.
You know it's unlawful,
Yeah.
and you know your orders are unlawful. That's why you're asking, not telling. That's why he's asking, not telling.
5 years ago, Todd, and I found out about what he.
And you're over here trying to flank me like you want to take me down. And I'm acting peacefully.
So you can file a complaint on that, okay?
Where can we file the complaint at?
Tyrone.
I'm
Let's
talking to
go.
him. I'm talking to
Let's
him.
go, we're gonna file a complaint. Mark.
I want to be told that I'm going to be arrested unless I leave. I want my rights to be violated on this camera right now. That's what I want.
I'm asking you to leave.
Okay, you can ask all you want. I can ask you to turn around in a
How many
circle.
times is that?
I can ask you to spin around in a circle. You can ask me all you want. You can ask whatever you want.
You're
That's your
causing a
right.
disturbance.
I'm not causing a
In
disturbance.
a public courthouse, okay?
You're causing a
This is
You
a
disturbance.
guys
place-
are causing the disturbance.
We had
just
business
came
to
in
take care of.
Take care of some business, and then you guys came in. Come on, Martin. Let's go.
Under threat. Under
of
threatened arrest.
They even brought their backups in. See?
We have business to take care of, and your men took his personal belongings.
Personal
That's a
rights,
Fourth
my
Amendment
rights.
and
How
a
does
Fifth
that
Amendment
apply to you,
violation.
you guys?
Do you know that there has to be due process before you take something?
Before you steal a man's
Before
property.
you steal a man's property,
God,
there
you
needs to be
took an
due
oath to
process.
protect our
That's the
Constitution.
Constitution. That's the Fifth Amendment.
took an
You
oath,
guys know
Todd.
that. You all took an oath.
Why didn't we hire Chad Peterson, the man?
They're all
that
backing
knew?
up.
The man that knew. He knows the Constitution, Chad does, but then you guys hired this man that doesn't understand or realize anything yet, even as an adult. Ever since we were kids, you and Chad. I don't know what happened to you guys, but you sure are. You guys got serious issues.
Don't bring my family in.
I love you guys, and I don't know what ever did.
We're not talking.
You're taking from our
You're
family.
taking from my family. Don't bring my family into your life. You're stealing my livelihood of a whole year, Todd, and you're telling me not to say I know your brother, Chad? I love Chad. I don't understand you, Todd.
They can come through here. We're not bothering
They can
anybody.
come through. Nobody's.
Let's go. These guys are silly. They're creating a disturbance.
they're
You guys are creating a
Look at
disturbance.
the
You're
massive
trying to
disturbance.
cause, you're trying to criminalize people's peaceful
need to
activity.
have a-
What you guys are doing is unlawful,
Yeah.
and you're going to be held accountable.
Steve Porter. We gotta get hold of Steve Porter. They can go in there. You can go in there.
What's your name and badge number, please?
Officer Johnson,
And why were you
6246.
called here?
They told us we had to come talk to the county attorney.
Just some type of disturbance.
They were creating a disturbance in
I don't
there.
know.
The sheriff was creating a disturbance in there.
Yeah, you guys are good to go in.
What's your name and badge number?
You don't need to know it.
Just, I've had contact with you. I need to know it.
No, you don't.
Snathors, Jason.
How do you know? Oh, it's
I
Randall.
went to school with you. Oh man, you're a cop.
Yeah, man.
Holy man.
Tyrant.
shut
I didn't
up. I
recognize
was
you.
wondering what happened
I
to you.
recognize you.
Oh, come out to go, Grant.
What's going on?
Huh? I'm watching all you guys get old and tired.
Oh.
Do I look the same as
No,
all
I'm
those?
old and tired.
Yeah, holy man, I never knew what happened to you.
It's
Yeah.
conspiracy
I was
to
just
deprive rights
talking
under
to
color of
people.
law is what's
Jason
happening.
Smather.
I've been back around here for about 8 years.
Really? I
Yeah.
was.
Yeah.
I came around 5 years ago, and my brother Junior.
You know that I have the First Amendment right to record in public, ma'am? Including in any public areas within this courthouse? And I was denied that right, and I was asked to leave under threatened arrest.
That's good. Where are we at? What happened? Yeah. Sure. So what's the issue then? Why did he take it? Why did he take it? No, that's okay. That's all right. So what do you do to get your boat back?
I got to talk to the county attorney, but Todd's going away. It's like Callaway. It's Callaway guns. God knows like God knows. But no, it's. Make sure my stuff is documented because 3 years I've sat silent while they've taken my let my fall away.
I already have enough evidence on here to get all these sheriffs in trouble,
My
so
mom's not gonna have rights.
they've already
Jason.
denied
I've
us
been
our
here
right.
54 fucking years.
Yeah.
You know, I'm not gonna have anything. I lost
So they
my
took it
income.
because they said the boat was illegal? You couldn't
Yeah,
use it?
they said I can't have the racing boat, which I proved already. I got the dismissal on my phone, but I
Yeah.
don't take phones in there because I don't like the troubles that they
Yeah.
give me. So listen to this. They took it and told me that I can't use it. I said, no, only go back to 1837 all the way. I've proven it every time you guys have had me into court. And I have. I beat him again from Jessica Johnson. That's why she took off
And then
today.
you get it back.
And then I get it back every
Okay.
year, and then I lose all my rights. You see
Because
what they're doing?
they keep
you know,
taking it,
you know
right?
it's my right to be able to record in public.
Yeah. It's
You know
our
that
right
that's
to-
a First Amendment right
yeah,
to be able to report in public.
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah.
And you know I can
Jason
report inside the
knows.
public areas inside this building as long as I'm not in any restricted areas in any courthouses and I'm not interfering
And they were
with
threatening
anybody's
they were gonna
privacy.
arrest me if you didn't leave.
They removed us from the building. They said I can't record, I can't document our encounter with the county attorney. That's our right to be
I
able to
haven't had
document
this
an
interview
encounter.
since
With
grade
That's
school.
up to them. I don't know why. That's
right,
what
so
they
that's
do.
deprivation of rights under
Yeah.
color of law.
You'd
And
have to talk to them.
yeah.
That's up to them.
That's 6 years. That's a federal offense.
How much rights do you have?
We had about 400 or 500 pounds in the back of my boat.
Hey!
He's fine.
No, he can't be swearing on a church
he
step.
can't.
Yeah, he can.
No, he cannot.
That's the First Amendment. Yes, he
No.
absolutely can.
It's on private property. You can't
Have
be
they
swearing
asked
on-
him to have they asked
Okay,
him to
listen.
have they
Would
asked
you want
him?
your kids there listening to him swear?
It doesn't matter what I
Well,
want or
he can't-
that's called the freedom of
he
speech.
can't be on
That he has
private
the
property swearing.
yes he can.
No, he cannot.
Yes he
Don't
can.
tell me, Mark.
Stop arguing.
Jesus.
Tell me.
That's
He's
the
not-
problem is they don't understand
Dude,
what freedom of
he
speech
can be there, I
is.
don't problem, but he can't
Is he-
start swearing.
Is he inciting
shouldn't be
violence?
yelling at-
Is he inciting violence?
That would be
That would be the
offensive.
only time
No, you're
that
wrong.
that you don't.
Martin, you're wrong.
You're wrong.
That is a
If somebody walked by and was
You can
offended by
fuck. You
him
can say
swearing,
fuck all you want.
no, if somebody
Yes, you
walked by
can.
and he
You can have
offended
a
somebody,
sign that says fuck.
no, he cannot
Yes,
do that
you
on
can.
a public, on private property. He cannot.
private property. You can't.
You're wrong.
Okay, go talk
You're
to your
wrong.
church. You think the church would want him swearing?
If the church asked him to leave, then he could be. He could be.
I can ask
then
him to leave 'cause he's
you
offensive.
cannot
Yeah,
ask him to leave.
100%
That's
I
private
can.
property. You can't
100%.
ask him
I
to
can
leave
go on any
private property.
I want. That's what my
You
job.
can go on any private property you
That's
want.
my job. Yes, that's my job.
Do you know what the Fourth Amendment is?
Listen to me. That's my job. To go on
to
property.
violate Fourth Amendment.
No, if there's
to
somebody
violate
doing
the Fourth
something that's
Amendment.
against the law,
To violate the Fourth
I'm not
Amendment.
going to answer your question. That dude,
Yeah, because you know it's wrong.
No, you're
you
wrong.
know it's wrong. You know it's wrong.
he can't be swearing in public.
This man's.
That's
I don't know who
that's
your
obscene.
friend is here, but he's a.
We
he
go way
doesn't
back.
know.
Never said
He doesn't
no,
know
no.
the law.
You think you
and look
know.
at him getting his
Martin.
hand. Look at him getting all close to me.
Martin thinks he knows.
I know. I do
No, you
know.
don't.
I
No,
study
you
it. I study
Me
it
too.
daily.
Me too.
No, you study.
You know,
what
I've been
they.
practicing
Whatever.
law
dude.
27 years.
Whatever.
I know the
Practicing law. You're practicing
Yeah,
law.
I
You
do
an
practice law.
attorney
This
now?
This is part of law. Law
Okay, well,
enforcement.
guess
that's
what?
Law.
You're wrong.
practice it every
They're
day.
wrong. The county attorney's office is
I'm
wrong.
not to argue who's wrong. I wasn't there.
And
I
if
don't
we
know
got to
what
go to the
happened.
Supreme Court, we got to go
I'm
to
trying to have a
Supreme
civil
Court.
conversation for a guy I haven't seen. And
No, you're
spouting,
trying to.
and you're spouting
You're
off.
trying to infringe on
Okay.
somebody's First
so
Amendment
you can
right.
talk, so you can talk, but I can't. Is that how it is?
Yeah,
My
exactly.
right
I
to
can
talk.
talk. You can
My
talk
right to
all you
talk.
want, and I can talk all I want.
Martin, let's go. I'll see you later.
Good to see
Hey,
you, Reno.
why don't you come up to Gold Ranch Road and visit?
What's your name and badge number?
Brennan Curdy 6115.
What is it?
Brennan Curdy 6115.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Is there emergency somewhere?
No, that's why I'm here.
Okay,
If there was an emergency, I'd be going to that.
right on. Just hanging out.
Pretty much.
Right on. Me too.
And they never did.
Just heard the arguing and figured I'd come out.
There's no arguing.
It's good.
It's like I told Jim.
You guys, is Fred good? Where'd he go?
I don't answer questions.
Oh, that's fine. I was just curious. Make sure he's. Oh, there he is.
Nice job.
All the time, even when I come back.
Guys that sit around the table playing cards. His tips over a couple years ago. So he's good.
I know. And I was talking to him. I said, man, there's some of us. There's quite a few of us on Chase.
I know.
I remember what happened to Chase.
Jeez. Yeah, that was a long time.
You know why he did it? I know. He's Jeff. Ricky Flood of Marshall blasted him in that church. There's another freaking church. He's just doing it in our community. Yes, he's still in that house. He's always
How's it going today? Oh, not too bad.
Danny Buns. Russell help.
It's like, oh,
Did Wesley too? Did he have?
We came here to because we have business here, and you guys stopped us at the door. You didn't allow us to document the business that we had
But I
here.
understand you tried to go through the secure area with a cell phone, and we don't allow cell phones through there.
Nice guy too.
The First Amendment does.
The court rule overrules that. in
The
this.
court doesn't overrule that. You can't overrule stare decisis.
So if you want to fight with that,
It's already been affirmed.
then you have to go.
It's already
file it
been
with the-
affirmed. You already violated the law. You violated the law. I don't have to talk to legislators. You broke the law. I don't have to talk to anybody. You broke the law. You will be held accountable.
You have my
Deprivation
name
of
and badge
rights.
right on the knee.
All right, good to see you, Reno.
Don't run into you, Chase.
Yeah, you too, Reno.
I
Martin,
would
you have a good
suggest
day.
Using a crosswalk.
I'm sorry?
I would suggest using the crosswalk.
Where's the crosswalk at?
One at each end of the street.
You're a tyrant.
I'm just
You're a
suggesting
tyrant.
So you don't get hit.
You're a tyrant.
I don't want to see you get hit.
You're a
sir.
tyrant.
Just don't
Are
wanna
you
see
gonna
get hit by
are
a
you gonna
vehicle.
cite me if I cross the road here?
Probably
Are you gonna
not.
cite me?
No, I'm just suggesting.
Are you gonna
it.
cite me if I cross the road here?
No.
I don't know what his suggestion is then.
Trying to keep you safe.
No, you're not. You're trying to.
Martin, have a good day.
It's him. What did he just do to me? He's like, I suggest you take a. And you're saying that I did something. It's his. That's his
I
attitude.
didn't say that.
I hope you all lose your jobs. I hope you all lose your livelihoods. I hope you go broke. That's what I hope.